Hello everyone. Today I'm bringing you a fall kind of a flower wreath. I'm not sure what you want to call it, but you're going to need some flowers from Dollar Tree or wherever you want to buy your flowers. You're going to need a wood truck. I got this at Dollar Tree last year. You're going to need one of these round, or you can use a piece of the flower, whatever it's called, flower stuff. Anyways, but I chose to use this round one, and we'll see how well that works. And then I chose to use this. It comes on a ball like this, wrapped. I got this at Dollar Tree, of course. And then all my flowers today that I'm using came from Dollar Tree. Now what I did was I took a piece of the end, ran it through the holes, and then wrapped it around each other on both sides and made a hoop. So that will be what it hangs from. And then you're just going to grab whatever flowers you want to use. And it's really hard to get it through this one. You have to push really hard. So I definitely suggest not using that to use the green. Alright. So then, just going to go around, and you're just going to add as little or as many flowers as you want. Now the benefit of using a round instead of a square piece of flower foam, or whatever it's called, is it's a circle. So you can go all the way around, put flowers all the way around, or not. All right. All right. So here is what yours has the potential of looking like. And if you would like, you can put a bow right here, which is, I think, definitely what I am going to do. Now, leftover from last year, I have some of this Harvest Red Truck ribbon. So I'm just going to quickly make a bow and add that, and then we'll call it good. Now, if you want to quickly add some glue to help hold your flowers down, that's definitely something that you can do. I didn't do that just for the purposes of this video, and time-wise, I don't like to make my videos really long, so that they're just quick little educational videos, so that you have an idea of what things could possibly look like. Give you some tools to use, some ideas, and maybe you can get some of your own ideas after watching one of mine. Now, I've said this before, but I'm going to say it again. You are only limited by your own imagination, so if you can dream it, you can do it. Okay, so last thing we're going to do here, glue gun's still hot. Maybe it is, maybe not. Nope. That's cooled off. So we'll just use some wood glue. You can use some E6000 glue. This is the super glue wood glue that you can get at Dollar Tree. Now I am just putting a generous amount on there, and I had these off, and I'm going to glue these as well. So I have those two glued down right there, and we're going to put some glue right there. We're going to put our bow. There you go. Then I'm going to take one of these big clips that I got at Dollar Tree, and I am going to clip that, and I'm going to that will hold it in place until the glue dries. So there you go. So that is what your final project has the possibility of looking like if you choose to do yours exactly like mine. So there you go. Definitely give me a thumbs up. That helps YouTube to find my channel, and it helps my channel to grow. And if you want to see more Dollar Tree DIY videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. See ya!